Hey everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and just going to do a short video today about tiny URLs. Just as an example, if you were trying to post a video, maybe to Twitter or something like that, and or post the location, like a web page, and the address was really long. Like, let's go to one of my videos here. How to diagnose a hard drive. See how long that, if you look up here in the address section, see how long that is. I may not want to post that to social media because it's really long and it might take up a lot of space and it kind of looks ungainly. So if I want to shorten that, there's a real easy way to do it. All you have to do is just like I did, just highlight the address by left clicking on it and then right click on it and copy it. Then you're going to go to tinyurl.com, and then where it says enter a long URL to make tiny, you left click once in that box and then right click and then left click where it says paste. And then you click on the button that says make tiny URL, and then right here it will make a tiny URL. So now, if I copy this, and actually I don't even have to do that, just see where it says copy to clipboard. If you just left click once there, and then open up a new web page, right click there and paste that in, that takes me to the exact same place. So that's how you make a long URL into a tiny URL, and that can make your social media posts look a little neater. I hope that was helpful. If so, please like and share this video, and please subscribe to my channel. And if anybody in the Memphis, Bartlett, Millington, Cordova, Germantown, or Midtown area needs any kind of computer repair or help or anything like that, please feel free to give me, Dave Bensman, a ring at Bensman Home Computer Repair at 901-830-4362. And as always, stay safe.